Hello everyone! Today we'll talk about the Innovation Fitness Report. Let's start with the introduction first. Innovation is an essential for any organization to remain competitive in today's fast-paced and ever-changing business environment. To stay ahead of the competition, companies must continuously adapt and innovate to meet the evolving needs and preferences of their customers. However, innovation is not an easy process and it can be challenging to identify and execute ideas that will truly drive growth and success. This innovation report is a tool that can help organizations analyze their innovation capabilities and potential comprehensively. It provides valuable insight into the company's innovation strategy, cultures, processes, and resources, and its readiness to respond to new challenges and opportunities. And also in this report, we will discuss many pieces of literature highlighting about the innovation process involving various stages and activities which make it a complex and multi-phase phenomenon.
It is important that every business needs to manage innovation effectively. The simplified innovation management process is known as an efficient way of managing innovation within organizations. There are 8 aspects of the simplified innovation management process. The first aspect is the search process, which aims to explore new ideas and opportunities for innovation. Secondly, the strategic selection process. This step is all about choosing the best ideas for innovation that map the organization goals and priority. Next element is agile implementation. Agile is a solution that supports organization to deal with the challenges in today's dynamic business environment. Another element is value capture and business modeling. This helps organizations identify, develop, and bring new ideas to the market. Next, innovation strategy. This is a critical part since it helps to set the direction for innovation and guides the allocation of resources. Another essential component is to create an innovative organization, which can be achieved by creating an appropriate culture that supports innovation. Next component is proactive linkage. This involves intentionally seeking out external sources of knowledge, information, and resources to improve an organization's innovation capability. The last aspect of simplified innovation management is learning. Organizations need to continuously learn and evolve their capability in order to succeed. Moreover, this report is including reflect on how these contexts are changed by sustainability, digitalization, and ecosystems.
This report provides a detailed analysis of the innovation audit of Hong Kong Furnishing, a furniture design and development company based in Bangkok, Thailand. We conducted open-ended interviews with the owner, manager, and assistant manager to evaluate their perspective on innovation, the company's direction, and the company's strategy. These evaluations were used to determine the company's innovation fitness test score, which the results are surprisingly that they got the same score, which is 4.75 on strategy and learning, and also the linkages as well for the processes and innovations organization aspect They got 3.75 and 4.5 consecutively. Although the company appears to have clear goals and plans that can apply to the strategy and learn from the failure, which can apply to learning and maintain good relationships, which is linkages, they still lack of the innovation processes. The interview revealed that the company associates the term innovation solely with advanced technology, leading them to underestimate their own innovation capabilities. In fact, they are working towards reducing unnecessary tasks in their production flow to improve productivity, which is an example of incremental innovation rather than radical innovation. Despite being in operation for 56 years, the company remains small size due to their organizational structure, which hinders their ability to grow as fast as they thought. However, they are currently undergoing digital transformation, restructuring, and reframing of their company's direction and strategy. They are aggressively seeking for the technology that can improve both administrative and operational processes to reduce the redundant tasks and increase productivity. Importantly, they are focusing on low-cost automation, which means investing in specific technologies that can maximize production performance without excessive investment. There are four main challenges identified, which are the contradiction between the mixed generation structure. Second, high level of remaining stock. Third, relocation of the factory. And lastly, is product line expansion. So the recommendations that were written in this report are to conduct an assessment of the skills and knowledge gaps between generations, then create cross-generational teams to facilitate knowledge transfer. Next, organize the market research to determine the reasons of unsold stock and develop the marketing plan later. Next, assess the utilization of the area's function in order to attain maximum benefits in the factory. Lastly, implement the market research to determine customers' demand. Then the team can develop the new product line that can match with customers' demand.
In the past of discussion, we'll discuss with the literature first. The context of sustainability, digitalization, and ecosystem is rapidly changing the priority of organizations, including Hong Kong Furnishings. Based on the interview from the managers of the Hong Kong Furnishings, there are several areas where the companies can improve its innovation management practices. The first one is digital transformations. Hong Kong Furnishing is currently undergoing a digital transformation, which is an essential aspect of managing innovation in today's business environment. Moreover, the company adoption of innovative tools such as VoIP and PDL to streamline operation by focusing manufacturing automation tools to reduce the redundant jobs. The second one is innovation management practices. From a managerial perspective, it is important to know that the company is facing challenges with changing the mindsets of the older generation's executives and getting them to support innovative ideas. Hong Kong Furnishing's mixed generation structure and traditional approach may hinder its innovation management practices. Innovation management involves creating a culture of innovations, establishing processes and structures for innovations, and managing resources effectively to achieve innovation goals. The third one is circular business model. Hong Kong Furnishings focus on the circular business model aligned with the principles of sustainable innovation, which is becoming increasingly important for organizations to remain competitive and meet customer demands for environmentally responsible products and services. And the fourth one or the last one is innovation strategies. Hong Kong Furnishing has shifted its strategy from being original equipment manufacturer or OEM to an original design manufacturer or ODM, aiming to differentiate itself and stand out from the competitors. The second part of the discussion is the discuss with the model in the room. The Hong Kong furnishings could benefit from adopting comprehensive approach to innovation that includes the incremental and radical innovation, also with R&D progress, design thinking, overcome barrier to innovation and technology adoption and process innovation, which we learn in the room. By advancing innovation, Hong Kong furnishing can stay competitive and rapidly changing furniture industry and continue to meet needs of its customer.